Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Alright, let's begin. If you see the SS06 error when opening Snapchat, it usually means your account on that device is banned. To try fixing it, go to your phone settings, scroll to apps, and find Snapchat. Tap on it, then go to location and set it to always allow. This helps Snapchat verify that you are the account owner. Next, go back to Settings, tap General, then open VPN and Device Management. If a VPN is enabled, turn it off and connect to your local Wi-Fi or mobile data instead. After that, head to iPhone Storage, scroll down to Snapchat, and select Offload App. Reinstalling gives you the latest version, which can solve bugs and errors. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.